Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how to turn off notifications on your iPhone in simple steps. Keep watching this video till the end. So if you're looking to turn off notifications for certain apps on your iPhone, all you have to do is go to settings and scroll down a little and you will find notifications. Here you can choose which app you want to disable your notifications for. For example, I'll just choose Google Chrome. And here I can choose whether I want to completely turn off the notifications or I just want to turn off the sounds or the badges or anything like that. For now I'll just turn off everything. So that's how you turn off each app notifications. So I've turned off for most of the apps, so you can do that as well. So that's it guys, that's how you turn off notifications for apps. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing content like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.